guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to create a makeup look by Asmawati. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my tutorials and let's get started. This foundation have a low to medium coverage. It doesn't cover up my imperfections that much. I think I've brought a rose shade for my skin. This is my favorite contour stick. It's from Silkygirl. It's very affordable and it's a local brand from Malaysia. So first we must set your under eyes first so it will not crack quickly. I'm gonna use this from Huda Beauty Desert Dust Palette. Now as you can see, the color is very pigmented and very easy to blend. I love this palette so much because the color is very bold and bright. I'm done for the eyes, now onto the lashes. So I will contour my face using this dark side over here. I have all of their collections, blusher collection, and this one, and many more. I do really love this makeup artist brand. I bought this from local drugstore. I'm sorry it's kinda messy here, but this highlighter is very lit and so bold. You can see the color is very nude and perfect for everyday or natural makeup look. Here's is the finished look, but not yet. There's one thing that I need to do is my hair.